Alright, so the Windows 11 beta was just released yesterday, and today I'm going to show you how you can download it on your computer. So first things first, you do want to make sure that you are downloading this on a secondary device, not your primary one or the one that you use for all your day-to-day tasks, for all your work and stuff, because this is a beta. It will be pretty buggy, and you don't want that on your primary work computer or whatever. So first things first, you do want to make sure that you are downloading this on a secondary device, not your primary one, the main one that you use for your work or day-to-day tasks or whatever, because this is a beta. It will be pretty buggy, and there can be some pretty big bugs there that can interfere with all your files and stuff like that, so you don't want to leave that at such a high risk. Also, I would recommend backing up your computer if you are going to be downloading it on your main one. Next, you want to go to the web and actually see if your PC is compatible. If you just head over to the Microsoft website and you head over to Windows 11, you got all your stuff over here. You just scroll to the bottom and you can check for compatibility using the PC Health Check app. Normally it would say download here, but I already downloaded it, so I'm just going to go and load it up. So yeah, my PC is actually compatible with Windows 11. The next step is to go and register yourself in the Windows Insider program. So you can just do it directly from settings. If you just go into the Cortana search, type in Windows Insider program settings, and you can just go straight to it. Just press get started, and then you can just link your account directly from here. To join the Windows Insider program, you do need a Microsoft account or an Azure Active Directory account, both of which are free. Just link it. I'm going to add mine in. Now ideally over here it will have three options: your dev channel, beta channel, and release preview channel. I've got two laptops here. This is the older one that cannot support Windows 11, so I'm just doing it directly from Windows 11, which I've already installed on it. Now after you have joined the dev channel, it will ask you to restart your PC so that you can get all the dev builds. Once you have restarted, you want to go into check for updates, and then you will see the Windows 11 Insider Preview build there. Now once it does show up, you just simply click download and let your PC download it. So for me, it took around, I think, 3 to 6 hours or something like that for it to download. I did go to sleep after I started downloading it, so I don't exactly know, but I do presume that it would be faster if you have an SSD or a newer laptop. After you have restarted your laptop, you're now on Windows 11 and you're free to roam around in it. There are plenty of changes here that I did notice. Probably going to be making a video, hopefully it can come out on Thursday or Friday, a first 48 hours impressions video or something like that. So subscribe and hit the bell so that you can get notified when I do post that. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. That's pretty much it for me. Let me know if this video did help you down in the comments below. And yeah,